Welcome to this video about volume, and now we're switching from area over to volume. Now we've got volume of a rectangular prism. Rectangular prism is a big fancy word for a box. So we have a box, it could be a cube, so it means all sides are the same. More than likely it has a rectangular base and all the sides are rectangular rather than a cube. These are boxes, like if we see pop cans in a box, or if we see a grocery box, or any kind of box that we have. This is how we can figure out the volume for it. The formula for volume is length times width. So we're really finding the area of the base, and we're timesing it by how tall it is. The way we can kind of picture it is, I'm going to try to draw my box. It's kind of tough for me to draw in 3D. There's my base. And what I want to do is really, I'm stacking it, that thing, up a bunch of times. See how good my drawing is here. That's not bad. Kind of misshapen right up here in the corner. But we want to try to figure out the volume, how much that box can actually hold. So we're going to say that the dimensions, I'm going to back this up. Let's say the dimensions of my box, I'm going to start with a new example actually. So I'm going to have 3. So let's get smaller so it all fits on here. 3 and 5. So this is a rectangle. And now it's going to go up 12 centimeters. That's kind of tough to sometimes picture. I'm going to redo my drawing a little bit so we can kind of see how it's going to look. Our dimensions are 3 by 5 by 12. Not a great drawing, but hopefully you can see that that's a box. 3, 5, 12. Centimeters, centimeters, centimeters. And what you can do is just picture this kind of piece of paper or this thing that's just going to be stacked up and up and up and up and up until we get our height. So if the volume is length times width times height, we can just plug in those numbers. Our length is 5, our width is 3, and our height is 12. So 5 times 3 gives us 15. 15 times 12 gives us 180. And because this is now volume, it's 180 centimeters cubed. Not squared, cubed. And that's our simple volume of a rectangular prism example. You've got a sheet that has volume of rectangular prisms with 9 examples on there for you to do. So if you can do those now, and then when you're done that, you can come and check out the next video, which is volume of a cylinder.